Students, due to technical problem, mobile off, a mobile was in off position previous class. Let us going to continue in that class only concyclic points. Let us going to discuss about concyclic points. In mathematics 2B concept, we said that concyclic meaning that if three or more points, that is generally 4 points, lie on a same circle, the 4 points are said to be concyclic. Already we have proved concyclic sums also. Now, depends upon that concyclic concept, let us going to discuss about the application of complex numbers into geometry, that is in circles. If 4 points, IFF you write, if and only if 4 points, 4 points A Z1, A Z1, B Z2, C Z3, D Z4. A, B, C, D are concyclic. A, B, C, D are concyclic. That is, if means IFF means if and only if. Z1, Z2, Z3, Z4 are concyclic, then the concept of Z1 minus Z3 into Z1 minus Z3 into Z2 minus Z4 by Z1 minus Z4, Z1 minus Z4 into Z2 minus Z3 is purely real. Z1 minus Z3 into Z2 minus Z4 by Z1 minus Z4 into Z2 minus Z3 is purely real. If the total multiplication, the result is purely real, then the 4 points are said to be concyclic. So, what is the technical using meaning? Let us write the equation of circle is x square plus y square plus 2x plus 2f plus c is equal to 0. By substituting 3 points, we will get the equation of circle. And after completion of equation of circle, whatever the fourth point we given, if you substitute the fourth point in the circle, you will be getting 0. That is the concept of concyclic. But in the complex number, this is the formula Z1 minus Z3 to Z2 minus Z4 by Z1 minus Z4 into Z2 minus Z3. It should be real. So it is not imaginary. Imaginary part should be equal to 0. Next one, for centroid we see. For a triangle, draw like this. ABC triangle, A Z1, B Z2, C Z3. A, B, C are 3 vertices. A Z1, B Z2, C Z3 are vertices of triangle. Let us write in center. Centroid already said x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, comma y plus y2 plus y3 by 3, concept as z1 plus z2 plus z3 by 3. Now, in center, of course, I think you know that in center I is equal to ax1 plus bx2 plus cx3 by a plus b plus c, comma ay1 plus by2 plus c by 3 by a plus b plus c. In the similar way, here az1 plus bz2 plus cz3 whole by a plus b plus c. Here a meaning bc, comma b meaning ca, comma c meaning ab. So what is a? So a here, a meaning is modulus of z2 minus z3, the distance between two complex numbers, and b meaning opposite of b, so it is modulus of z1 minus z3, and c meaning it is modulus of z2 minus z1 or z1 minus modulus of z1 minus z2. Okay, now circumcenter. Circumcenter formula sigma, so it is better to take in terms of sin to it is better. Sigma z1 z2 bar into z2 minus z3 whole by sigma z1 power into z2 minus z2. Better to remember in the vector method, that is OA sin 2A plus OB. Here OA means z1. O means here circumference. If O you have taken like this. Here z1 meaning modulus of z1 concept. So OA sin 2A plus OB sin 2 plus OC sin 2C by sin 2A plus sin 2 plus sin 2C we have discussed in vectors. In the similar way, you better to calculate circumference S using the formula here OA meaning z1. So origin to there. So the distance between this and this one. So z1 into this is between O and A. z1 into sin 2A. z1 sin 2A plus z2 sin 2A. z1 sin 2A plus z2 sin 2B plus z3 sin 2C. z1 sin 2A plus z2 sin 2C plus z2 sin 2B plus z3 sin 2C by sin 2A plus sin 2B plus sin 2C. S meaning circumference. If the triangle is equilateral, we have discussed OA sin 2 plus OB sin 2 plus OC sin 2 is equal to 0 because it is origin. From origin that Z1 and Z2 and Z3 both are 3 are equal. Modulus of OZ1 equal to modulus of OZ2 equal to modulus of OZ3. So that meaning distance from that origin to A and B and C are everything equal. Of course, you know that SA is equal to SA is equal to SC concept for any triangle. If it is equilateral triangle, circumcenter and orthocenter, centroid, everything is the same. Now let us discuss about orthocenter. Orthocenter. Draw like this. Z1 into tan A. It is easy method to remember. Z1 into tan A plus Z2 into tan B plus Z3 into tan C. Z1 into tan A plus Z2 into tan B plus Z3 into tan C by tan A plus tan B plus tan C. Z equal to Z1 into tan A plus Z2 into tan B plus Z3 into tan C by tan A plus tan B plus tan C. It is better to remember. Next one, let us going to discuss about if triangle is equilateral. If triangle ABC, AZ1, BZ2, CZ3, AZ1 plus BZ2 plus CZ3 is an equilateral. AZ1, BZ2, CZ3 is an equilateral triangle. Draw the diagram ABC here. AZ1, BZ2, CZ2. So we have discussed that centroid equal to circumcenter equal to orthocenter. First, we can use AB equal to BC equal to AC concept. I am writing here AB equal to BC equal to C. That implies modulus of Z1 minus Z2 is equal to modulus of Z2 minus Z3 is equal to modulus of Z3 minus Z1. Whenever triangle is equilateral, in center, orthocenter, circumcenter, everything is same. So put here O. This is orthocenter. So SCI is equal to SB is equal to SC concept. So Z1 is equal to OZ1 is equal to OZ2 is equal to OZ3, and here taking modulus concept, using vectors concept, OA plus OB plus OC is equal to OYS and SI plus SB plus SC is equal to 2SO. We have discussed it. Using that one, it is not possible. Okay, let us going to discuss about the formula here. We is discussing this ABC equivalent triangle. Then Z1 square plus Z2 square plus Z3 square is equal to Z1 Z2 Z2 Z3. It's okay. Depends upon second formula. Okay, let us write as a formula. Draw like this. Z1 minus Z2 whole square. Z1 minus Z2 whole square plus Z2 minus Z3 whole square plus Z3 minus Z1 whole square equal to 0. Z1 minus Z2 whole square plus Z2 minus Z3 whole square plus Z3 minus Z1 whole square equal to 0. Expand this one. Z1 square plus Z2 square plus Z3 square, and here Z2 square, Z2 square, Z1 square, Z1 square like this. So 2 into, you can get here 2 into Z1 square plus Z2 square plus Z3 square. 2 into Z1 square plus Z2 square plus Z3 square is equal to into here like this. This is the formula of A minus B square plus B minus C square plus C minus A whole square. So it is nothing but A is equal to B. Whenever A is equal to B is equal to C, then you can write A is equal to B separate, B is equal to C separate, C is equal to A separate, and A minus B whole square equal to 0, B minus C whole square equal to 0, C minus A whole square equal to 0. Total 0 square plus 0 square plus 0 square is equal to 0. Depends upon that one. I am saying that Z1 minus Z2 is equal to like this. So by expanding this one as A minus B whole square, A square minus 2A plus B square, A square like this, B square minus 2 plus B square like this. So 2 into Z1 square plus Z2 square, Z3 square minus Z1 Z2 like this. Z1 Z2 plus Z2 Z3 plus Z3 Z1 equal to 0. Divide with the 10 twice, it becomes Z1 square. It becomes Z1 square plus Z2 square plus Z3 square. Z1 square plus Z2 square plus Z3 square is equal to Z1 Z2 plus Z2 Z3 plus Z3 Z1. Z1 Z2 plus Z2 Z3 plus Z3 Z1. This is a property. This is a property. Among them, if one is 0, it need not be here. If one is 0, so Z0 is circumcentral. Z0 is circumcentral. So what is Z0? So Z plus Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 by 3. If Z0 is circumcentral, of course this is formula, not equivalent to triangle concept. For equivalent to triangle only, Z0 is circumcentral of triangle ABC. Z0 is circumcentral of triangle of ABC. Modulus of, not modulus, simply this is Z1 square plus Z2 square plus Z3 square is equal to 3Z0. Z1 square plus Z2 square plus Z3 square is equal to 3Z0 square. And next one is also formula. If here 1 is 0, example, take this one or this one or this one, anything is 0. Then simply one example depends upon this box. I am going to discuss with you that if R is in comma, R is in. If R is in comma, Z2, Z3 or Z1, Z2, R is in comma, Z1, Z2 forms an equilateral triangle. origin comma z1 z2 forms an equitriangle, equilateral triangle. Origin comma z1. Here simply z1, whenever origin I am discussing, try to understand that here z3 is equal to 0. So substitute 0 instead of z3. So z1 square plus z2 square plus this is 0 because origin is a side of the triangle, vertices of triangle. z1 z2, that's all. z1 square plus z2 square is equal to z1 z2 remaining are 0. That implies you can understand z1 minus z2 whole square equal to 0. Of course, it is z1 equal to 0. Simply leave it. This is a property. Next property is there. Formula number 2. This is formula number 1. If origin form, it is equilateral triangle. If origin comma z1 comma z2 forms an isosceles triangle. Origin comma z1 z2 forms an isosceles triangle. Origin comma z1 z2 forms an isosceles triangle. That implies z1 square plus here z1 square plus z1 z2 plus z2 square. z1 square plus z1 z2 plus z2 square equal to 0. Next third one, vertices of isosceles right angle isosceles triangle. If z1 comma z2 comma, this is important, z1 comma z2 comma z3 are vertices of z1 z2 z3 are vertices of an isosceles right angle triangle. Isosceles right angle triangle. Then the property is z1 square plus z2 square is equal to z2 into z1 square plus z3 square. z1 square plus z3 square is equal to 2z2 into z1 plus z3 minus z2. Depends upon this formula, you can write here if z1, z2, z3 are vertices of, here some concept is there, vertices of isosceles triangle, z2, then among them one property should be right angle at z2. Right angle vertices, right angle z2 should be there. Right angle triangle, right angle z2. Then depends upon this one. You say now z1, z2, z2 are z1, z2, z3 are vertices of right angle. Vertices of right angle isosceles triangle. Vertices of right angle isosceles triangle. Right angle at z3. Right angle at z3. Then right angle at z3. Then you can understand here z1 square plus depends upon here z1 square plus z2 square. z1 square plus z2 square. z1 square plus z2 square is equal to 2 into z3. Wherever the right angle is there, like this you should write 2 into z3 into here z1 plus z2 minus z3 is the property. 2z3 into z1 plus z2 minus z3. So whatever minus is there, that term should be here. If it is right angle at z1, then the formula z2 square plus z3 square is equal to 2 into z2 square z3 square is equal to 2 into z1 into z2 square z3 square minus z1. Let us do, depends upon the questions. Worked example 14 is there, students. Let us calculate worked example 14. Fourteenth one, page number 8. Worked example 14. A Z1, B Z2, C Z3. A Z1, B Z2, C Z3 form a right angle isosceles triangle. Right angle at C given. Form an isosceles. Form a right angle isosceles triangle. Form a right angle isosceles triangle. Let C. Find 2 into Z1 minus Z3. Find 2 into Z1 minus Z3 into Z3 minus Z2. 2 into Z1 minus Z3 into Z3 minus Z2. Now, this one we need to calculate. So, draw a rough diagram. It is right angle C he is going to discussing. This is put here, this is Z3 and this is Z1 and B is Z2. So formula I am writing, of course this one only. So Z1 square plus Z2 square, right, like this. Z1 square plus Z2 square is equal to 2 into Z3 into 2 into Z3 into Z1 plus Z2 minus Z3, multiply what? Multiply completely what is asking. 2 into Z1 minus Z3, find this one. Now multiply like this, Z1 square plus Z2 square. Z1 square plus Z2 square is equal to Z1 Z3 multiplication. Z1 square plus Z2 square. Z1 square plus Z2 square is equal to 2 Z1 Z3 plus 2 Z2 Z3 minus 2 Z3 square minus 2 Z3 square. So keep aside. Now what we should going to discuss? 2 into Z2 minus, keep aside, put an equation from now. To find out, I am writing. To find out 2 into Z1 minus Z3 into Z3 minus Z2. 2 into Z1 minus Z3 into Z2 minus Z3 minus Z2. Multiply completely, becomes Z1 Z3 minus Z1 Z2 minus Z3 square minus of minus plus Z2 Z3, that is equal to 2 Z1 Z2 2 Z1 Z2 minus, this is 2 Z1 Z3 2 Z1 Z3 minus 2 Z1 Z2 2 Z1 Z3 minus 2 Z1 Z2 minus 2 Z3 square minus 2 Z3 square plus 2 Z2 Z3 2 Z2 Z3. Now 2 Z2 Z3 2 Z3 square is there. Now using 1 we can find from 1 here 2 Z1 Z3 minus 2 Z1 Z2 plus 2 Z2 Z3 is there. So using from 1 we can find. from 1 to Z3. So let us write Z1 square plus Z2 square minus 2 Z1 Z3 minus 2 Z2 Z3 is equal to minus 2 Z3 square. Okay, minus 2 Z3 square is equal to Z1 square plus Z2 square minus 2 Z1 Z3 minus 2 Z2 Z3. Put here this is 2. Sub into substitute in 2. So 2 Z1 Z3 2 Z1 Z3 minus 2 Z1 Z2. Instead of minus 2 Z3 square, you write here plus. This is plus Z1 square plus Z2 square minus 2 Z1 Z3 minus 2 Z1 Z2. Sorry, minus 2 Z2 Z3. Here plus 2 Z2 Z3. This one get cancelled. 2 Z1 Z3 2 Z1 Z3 get cancelled. Now we got Z1 square plus Z2 square plus Z1 square plus Z2 square minus 2 Z1 into Z2. So this we can written as Z1 minus Z2 whole square. Yes, we got as Z1 minus Z2 whole square. Now let us discuss about area of triangle. Three formulas are there. Area of triangle. Three formulas we can discuss. The area of triangle formed by the complex numbers formed with the complex numbers z comma iz comma z plus iz. This is for only m set, not mains. Z comma iz comma z plus iz. Z comma iz comma z plus iz is equal to formula 1 by 2 modulus of z square. I will say examples also. Next one, second one, among this one, area of triangle formed by complex numbers. Area of triangle formed by complex numbers z comma iz comma z minus iz. Z comma iz comma z minus iz. Z comma iz comma z minus iz is equal to 3 by 2 into modulus of z square. Third one, area of triangle formed by z comma omega z comma z plus omega z. Yeah, z comma omega comma z plus omega z is root 3 by 4 into modulus of z square. Root 3 by 4 into modulus of z square. So let us going to discuss about some examples. Depends upon first formula. Level 2 classwork 17 is there, and a level 1 homework 36, and a level 1 classwork 38. Let us going to discuss about level 2 classwork 17 question. Level 2 classwork 17 question, page number is not correct. This circle is wrong. It is homework. Level 2 classwork 17 question. is also not correct way, students. Okay, students, let us going to continue next class due to technical problems. I'll continue the examples in next class. Okay. Okay, students, I'll continue the examples in next class.